Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use Glassdoor benefit reviews. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First of all, let's understand what benefit reviews is. If some employees have worked for more than 5 years or have had a long experience with a company and they want to share about their 401ks, the benefits they are getting in the company, that is when you can simply go ahead and leave the benefit review. So first of all, simply go ahead and open any browser you want and search for Glassdoor and click on the first link. Once you've done that, make sure that you are logged in into your account, and now all you need to do is just click on the profile icon on the top right hand side of your screen. And now once you've done that, click on contributions, and in contributions finally there is going to be benefits right over here. Just click on add a benefit, and now just enter your employer name, job title, location, and then when you click on next, it's going to ask you what were the benefits there were. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.